A very good morning to you all. It was supposed to ask the question, short question, MCQ question from chapter 10, 11, and 12. So before going to ask the question, let me discuss about chapter 10 a little. There are different problems of social life in our Bangladesh. We have been living in Bangladesh with the burden of problems. Some of them are poverty, population, growth, illiteracy, superstition, customs of dowry, and child marriage. Blah blah blah. These social problems have harmful effects on individuals and on our society. Thank you very much, Ryan, for keeping the camera on. Everybody should keep camera on. You are requested to start your camera on. This problem should be addressed and solved. For this reason, people have to be consciousness. So it is found that there are a lot of problems, social problems in our Bangladesh. They are poverty, population growth, illiteracy, superstition, that means kusanskar, that is the extreme belief in something, on something, custom of dowry and child marriage. Among these, today I will ask some question from about this social problem dowry system. As we have revised this chapter and we have discussed this chapter, so according to our plan, I will ask the question, you will give the answer. Together. For this answer, that means if you are able to answer, you will get a thanks from my corner. But there is no marks, no credits. It will be revised for your welfare. Okay, now can I start? When was law against dowry? When was the law against dowry amended? When was the law against dowry amended or corrected? When?
1986.
1986. Thank you very much. Correct answer. A big thanks from my part. Ryan. Okay, thank you very much. What kind of social problem? Name two social problem. Name two social problem. Name two social problem.
Illiteracy, dowry system.
Thank you very much. Thank you very much. What is the main reason behind poverty? Can you say? What is the main reason behind poverty? What is the main reason behind poverty? Yes.
The illiteracy.
And yes, illiteracy. Actually, which is the main root cause? Actually, it's very difficult to do. Our population is the main problem. Illiteracy is the main problem. Our population growth is the main problem. So these are extreme problem in our country. So now you are right. The problems people face due to the aforementioned problem, suppose domestic violence, murder of the wife, divorce, this type of occurrences happens or occurs in our country. For what?
Dowry system.
For the dowry system. Thank you very much, Subha. Thank you. Thank you very much for dowry system. What kind of problem is superstition? What kind of problem is superstition?
Social problem.
Social problem. Thank you very much. Name at least two social diseases of our society. Name at least two social diseases of our society.
superstition, illiteracy.
Social problems are called social diseases. Dowry and illiteracy. Actually, dowry and illiteracy. Yes, dowry system is a social
Child
cause,
marriage.
social disease of our society. Subha, what would you like to say?
Sir, superstition.
Superstition. Thank you very much. Of course, the disease among the illiterate people actually. Sometimes many educated people also have been suffering from superstition.
Assalamualaikum, sir.
Wa alaikum assalam. Welcome, Baba. I am asking some questions from chapter 10. Then I will go to chapter 11 and respectively 12. Now, very easy question for you. Anti-dowry organization will provide legal support to whom? Anti-dowry organization will provide legal support to whom?
Women and children.
Women and children. Let me say some option. All married women, the dowry victim, society, the groom.
The dowry victim. The dowry victim.
Yes, thank you. The law and order should support them. You're right. What will we have to be? What will we have to be if we want to remain free from the bad effects of dowry? Should I say option? No, you will say the answer from yourself. From your part.
Sir, option.
Option. Again, try to understand the question properly. Again, let me read out the question. What will we have to be if we want to remain free from the bad effects of dowry? Option. Strong, gentle, aware, unaware. Aware. Thank you very much. We have to be aware. We have to be aware. We have to create awareness in the society, finding no alternative. Now, what is the main cause of child marriage in Bangladesh?
Poverty. Poverty.
Of course, poverty. Thank you very much. Poverty. Except poverty, there are some causes. Suppose it is found that in a family there is a grandfather, grandmother. They wished that there is one of my grandson or granddaughter. So before my death, I would like to see the wife of my grandson. Or মৃত্যুর আগে বউ দেখে যেতে চায়. This is the causes. In a lot of superstition and some custom of a society still now existence. Now, the minimum marriage age for man and woman in Bangladesh, what is? What is the minimum age?
For girls, 18 years and for boys, 21 years.
21 years. Thank you very much. Correct answer. Correct answer. When child marriage act was passed?
1929.
1929. Thank you very much. You have kept all the information in your memory. 1929. Thank you. Restraint Act. Child Marriage Restraint Act. Right. What are the minimum marriage age for a girl? For a girl, only for a girl.
18 years.
Okay. Okay, now we can go chapter 11. Some countries in Asia. Imran is joining still now. Okay. To which country does Cochin belong to as a main seaport? From chapter 11. To which country does
Sir,
Cochin?
Malaysia.
Malaysia. Thank you very much. Thank you very much. Malaysia is the right answer. Which external power ruled over India at last?
The British rule.
Again, which external power? Wait, two students waiting in my waiting room. Let me admit them. The English, the British. Thank you very much. The English or the British. Thank you very much. Which is the largest democratic country of the world? Largest.
India.
India or China? India. Thank you very much. India. Thank you very much. India. How many small and large countries are there in Asia? How many small and large countries are there in Asia? "51." Am I right?
Sir, 59.
59. Check please. You may say opening book or closing book. No problem. Now listen to me. What percentage of people live in village in India? 80%.
80%.
What percentage of people live in village in Bangladesh? Same 80%. What percentage of people live in urban area in Bangladesh and in India? 20%. If 80% people live in village, then 20% people live in urban.
Yeah.
And Bangladesh 30%.
30% in Bangladesh. In India?
20%.
No, 20%. Thank you. 20%. 20%. 20% people live in India, in urban area. Thank you very much. Now, a very easy question for you. It's the matter of keeping memory. What is the area of China? What is the area of China? What is the area of China?
95,98,089 square kilometers.
95 lakh 97,000 square kilometers.
98,089 square kilometers.
Most probably about nearing 95 lakh 97,000 square kilometer. Okay, that's all right. Now, the question.
সেই অনুযায়ী তো বাংলাদেশ একটা ছোট্ট একটা দেশ।
Of course, Imran. Very small country, Bangladesh.
আর 9 গুণের স্যার 9 গুণ মনে হয় নাকি 90
Nine. Now, how is the climate of China? Can you say? How is the climate of China? I'm asking the question today without having explained because this is the pegging of the brain. Yes, you have been revising, but I'm trying to pegging your brain. Yeah. How do you remember? Okay. How is the climate of China? Who can say? How is the climate of China? Moderate. Like Bangladesh. The weather of Bangladesh is temperate or moderate? The weather of Bangladesh? Moderate. That means temperate. Thank you very much. How many races live in China?
56.
Wow. Thank you very much. Thank you very much. What percentage of China's population originates from Hun Chinese race?
About 95%.
95% is right answer. What percentage of Chinese people speak in Mandarin?
95.
95. So Mandarin is their language name. Huh? Thank you. Now, how many administrative states are there in China? How many administrative
22.
states are there in China? 22.
2.
Oh, thank you very much for your Sohi answer. You were well prepared. Today you were well prepared. I had given you a notice. So we are benefited. Now, how many autonomous regions are there in China? How many?
5.
5. Wow, thank you very much. Thank you very much. What is the rate of education in China?
100%.
No, 100% in Japan. Most people.
86%.
86%. 100% in Japan, except baby and mad, pagol and shishu. Except baby and mad, everybody is educated in Japan, and even there is a country nearing us, that is Sri Lanka. 99% or 100% people is educated over there, but we are lag behind. We are lag behind. So superstition is on our shoulder. Now,
দেশে কত মূর্খ রয়েছে
yes. Now,
আমাদের ক্লাসে তো একজন মূর্খ
now from Malaysia, I would like to some question. So, what is the age limit for compulsory education in Japan? What is the age limit for compulsory education in Japan? 6 to?
6 to 15.
But in our Bangladesh, 3 plus PG. Okay? Nowadays, in our Bangladesh, there are many kindergarten schools. They invite the students, please come to our school. We will nourish our children from the age of 2.5, 3 years. They're coming to different kindergarten schools. But I think, what's your conception? It should be 6 or it should be 3? What's your conception? The children education age. Suppose you have a neonate sister, huh? You have a neonate sister or brother. So when?
আমার এখানে 20 বছর
What's your opinion?
এড়িয়ে যেতে পারে
Yes, Imran?
4 হওয়া উচিত।
4, no? I think it should be 6. It should be 6, the standard, because there is childhood. That after neonate, they will infant, they will be kid, then they will come to the school. Okay, that's all right. Because very earlier. Suppose.
5 বছর বয়সে বেশি পক পক করতে
No.
হয়।
We
5 বছর বয়সে স্কুলে
because
ভর্তি করায় দেয়।
it's a very difficult. We have been snatching their childhood. We have been snatching their childhood. We have been hijacking their childhood. Sorry,
Yes, sir.
hijacking their childhood. So, in this regard, I would like to say that some people actually have taken education as business. That my son, daughters will learn and will land it on the after receiving higher degree, they will land it on a highly paid job. That is the tendency. Nowadays, it is seen in the society. There are many person. I personally, I have seen this one. Many people. This tendency is working in them. Okay, that's what is there. Now listen to me. Question: what is the official name of Japan? What is the official name of Japan?
Kingdom of Japan.
Kingdom of Japan. What is the old name of Japan? What is the old name of Japan? Nihon or Nippon? Nihon or Nippon? Nippon. Yes, Nippon.
Nihon.
Nihon. Old name of Japan, Nippon. Everybody knows this one. Okay. What is the name of capital of Japan?
বলা হয়
Imran, what is the name of the capital of Japan?
নিপন বলা হয়।
হ্যাঁ নিপুণ বলা, you're right, নিপুণ. নিপুণ is the right answer. Everybody knows this one. I know this one from my childhood.
আর ওটা
Because
বৃষ্টি কামলা হয়ে
when
গেছে।
I was childhood, our teacher did not ask. At that time, there is no general knowledge subject. Nowadays, this is the advantage. It is praise Urdu in kindergarten school. In kindergarten school, a knowledge book is selected. The students are going through. So, in my childhood, I learned what is the old name of Japan, Nippon. What is the old name of Dhaka, Jahangirabad or Jahangirnagar? What is the old name of Dhaka?
নগর,
What is the old name of Chittagong? Islamabad.
চট্টগ্রাম,
Islamabad.
ইসলামাবাদ।
Yes,
Chottogram is the modern.
Islamabad. In this way, you have to remember something for your career. When you have to appear in BCS examination, then it will be welfare for you. Now listen to me. What is the population of Japan? Total population of Japan. What is the total population of Japan?
12 crore 65.
Almost
34,000.
almost 13 crore. What is the population of Japan? Check please. Tamanna.
12 crore 65 lakh. 34,000.
Okay.
12 crore 65 lakh 34.
Yes, this is the right. Almost 13. Plus minus 13 crore. Plus minus 13 crore. Everybody is right. Okay. Thank you. What is the rate of education in Japan? What is the rate of education in Japan?
100%.
100%? 99% actually.
99%.
99%. But it is given
Sir, 100%, sir, 90.
in newspaper and Google 100%. Except, yes, thank you very much.
Language.
Oh, yeah, but 99% is. Actually, there are some baby, they are not educated. There are some mad, they are not educated. From birth, somebody is not educated. So, no country can claim that 100% people are educated. But it is written. It is written. Okay. Now, which country is at the top position in industry? India or Japan?
Japan.
Thank you very much. Japan, yes. What is the national religion in Japan? What is the national religion in Japan?
Shinto.
Shinto or Shinto? Shinto. Shinto or Shinto? Okay, say this one in English. Now, how many seasons are there in Korea? Korea. How many seasons are there in Korea?
4 seasons.
Thank you very much. Now, I would like to go to chapter 12 because 10 minutes remain. I'll be back again 11. Now, yes.
Sir, anthropological aspect মানে
Anthropology. Okay, let me ask from this 12th chapter. Then I will back again. What was target year of Millennium Development Goals? What was target year of the Millennium?
2015.
Yes,
2015.
2015. Thank you very much. What type of relation does a nation build with another? Political, economic, or military? What type of relation does a nation build with another? Political, economic, or military?
Economic.
All three, all these three, all these three, all these three, all are correct. Can you say the full form of UNESCO? UNESCO. UNESCO.
United Nations Education Organization.
Hey Sudat,
বললে
Sudat,
সবাই থেকে কিচ্ছু বলে
you have become frozen. Please keep on the camera, Sudat.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Doing, sir.
What is the other name? What is the other name of League of Nation? What is the other name of League of Nation?
United Nations.
United Nations is the new name of new organization. After WW1, First World War, the name was League of Nations, and another name was Alliance of the Nations. United Nations is the new name after 1945, after Second World War. Okay, after First World War, the name was League of Nations. It was also called Alliance of the Nations. But after WW2, after Second World War, it is called United Nations. Okay. Now, when was League of Nations formed? When was League of Nations formed?
1920.
1920. Thank you very much. Now, how many members were there at the beginning of the UN?
51.
51. Now, the total member of UN?
193.
193. Now, the total country in the world? 195. Thank you very much. It is written the beginning of your chapter. Who is the chief administrator of the UN? Now, who?
Antonio Guterres.
Who was the first administrator of the UN or League of Nations? Trygripe Light. Thank you very much. Where are the headquarters of UN situated?
New York, USA.
Wow, thank you. New York. Huh. How many official languages does the UN have? How many languages does it? There are 4-5 minutes remain. Let me ask from this chapter. So thank you very much. A big thanks to you all. You have learned very well. I can't stop you by asking the question. It's a matter of pleasure. Which is priority language of the UN? That means which language has predominance over UN? English. Okay. Bangla is allowed over there?
English.
Bangla is allowed over there? No.
No.
But you have you heard or not? Of course, you have heard the name of Bangabandhu Sheikh Mujibur Rahman. Our great leader Bangabandhu Sheikh Mujibur Rahman delivered his speech in Bangla. Okay? Now listen to me, remember this one. Yes. Now new question. In which year did the First World War take place? In which year?
1914.
1914. Beginning from this year, continued 1919. 14 to 19, it continued. Second World War? When?
1939.
39.
Yes. 245. Thank you very much. When UN established? When did UN?
1945.
1945.
24th
24th October. Thank you very much. Saying with dates now. Okay, can you explain in brief the the flag of UN? What type is it? Description. Give a little description about.
The color.
Oh, so the color is the white blue color, in the middle of it is the picture of the earth.
And olive leaves.
Global map.
Global map.
And 2 wreaths of olive leaves on
Olive leaves.
left and
Thank you very much. Now all information is correct. Has come.
এই পতাকাতে কি হবে এখন?
In which century did two world wars take place? In century, 19th century. Century, you know this one. Okay. 20th century, sorry.
Sir, what was the question?
Question, in which century did two world war take place? 19 or 20? In which century?
14 and 5
So 19.
No, it is 1914 and 1945, 1939, but century 20. Century 20. Now at present, which century is going on now? 21st century is going on.
21st century.
21st century is going on. So, First World War, Second World War happened in 20th century. You are right. Huh? Thank you very much. Of course.
Stand for Third World War.
Why did the what was the cause? What was the cause? Why did the Second World War commence, begin? কেন শুরু হয়েছিল? Can you say? That is written. There is a background. One of the prince was killed.
সে ভালো ছিল না।
Yes, the failure of League of Nations. That means complete the failure of the League of Nations. And there is a background. One of the prince was killed by. But this need not go there. There is a League of Nations. When League of Nations failed, when they did not uplift the work, they did not fail to keep the peace in the world. Then after Second World War, there are some powerful country, developed country, they took decision to establish the UN, United Nations. Okay. Now, what is the name of the organ of the UN working for the socio-economic development?
Economic and Social Council.
Thank you very much. Who is the... Oh, sorry, I have asked this question. Now, new question. Which body of the UN will resolve the boundary conflict between North Sudan and South Sudan?
National Court of Justice.
Again, let me read out the question. Which body of the UN, that means UN has a 6 organization, that means hand or body. Which body of the UN will resolve the boundary conflict between North Sudan and